8 tips and tricks to getting the most out of Chat GPT. 1. Talk to it like an employee. One of the most significant benefits of Chat GPT is that it can understand natural language. This means that you can ask questions and make requests in the same way you would if you were talking to a human. However, it's essential to remember that Chat GPT is not perfect and may struggle with more complex or obscure phrases. You wouldn't assign your employee a vague task, would you? So don't give one to Chat GPT either. To ensure that Chat GPT understands your questions, use clear and concise language. Avoid using complex sentence structures or obscure vocabulary that might confuse the model. 2. Provide context. While Chat GPT can generate text on a wide range of topics, it works best when it has context to work with. If you're asking Chat GPT to write a story or generate text, try to provide as much information as possible about the characters, setting, and plot. You can prepare the AI for instructions by feeding it data and then later ask it to generate things. Use a prompt like, writing a sci-fi story about a spaceship that crashes on Neptune. Do you understand? Please leave your thought in comment below. 3. Use shorter text prompts. When generating text with Chat GPT, it's generally best to use shorter text prompts. This is because longer prompts can be more difficult for Chat GPT to process, which can lead to less accurate or useful output. To get the most out of Chat GPT, try to keep your prompts under 100 words. This will help to ensure that the model can process the prompt quickly and produce high-quality output. 4. Take advantage of Chat GPT summarization capabilities. Chat GPT is not just a tool for generating text, it's also an excellent tool for summarizing documents and articles. To use Chat GPT summarization capabilities, simply input the document or article you want to summarize, and Chat GPT will generate a concise summary. By using Chat GPT summarization capabilities, you can save time and quickly get to the heart of any document or article. 5. Batching. If you needed to bake 200 cookies for your kids' bake sale, you wouldn't do it all at once, right? Your oven isn't big enough for that. You'd bake probably 2 sheets of 12 cookies at a time. You'd prepare them in batches. Batching is how you get the most out of Chat GPT. For example, if you're trying to write a short story, you could break it up into smaller sections and input each section as a separate prompt. This will allow Chat GPT to generate text for each section, and you can then combine the sections into a complete story. 6. Use Chat GPT to generate ideas. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for a project or task, Chat GPT can be an excellent resource. By inputting a prompt and asking Chat GPT to generate text, you can get a wide range of ideas and inspiration. If you're trying to come up with ideas for a blog post, you could ask Chat GPT to generate text on a related topic. By reading through the output, you may discover new angles or ideas that you hadn't considered before. 7. Use Chat GPT to improve your writing skills. One of the most significant benefits of Chat GPT is that it can help you to improve your writing skills. By generating text on a wide range of topics and using Chat GPT to provide feedback, you can identify areas where you need to improve and develop your writing skills. 8. Don't be afraid to experiment. Finally, one of the best tips for using Chat GPT is to not be afraid to experiment. With so many features and capabilities, there's always something new to discover. By trying out different prompts, providing context, and experimenting with different approaches, you can discover new ways to use Chat GPT and tap into its full potential. Chat GPT is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks. By using natural language, providing context, and experimenting with different prompts and approaches, you can get the most out of this amazing tool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.